All right, today we're taking a look at the 2016 Range Rover. Of course, we just got hit with a little bit of rain, so you will see she's wet. 2016, this one's Indus Silver Metallic, they're calling this color. It's got the Ebony black leather interior with the grained wood. This one's a 3-owner, clean Carfax, no accidents. Loving this silver color though. As you can see, black top, black badging all around, looks great. Interior's super clean. Window sticker on this car was $88,000 and change. Really good shape. Backup camera, heated seats, panoramic sunroof. This one's just in. Do have the upgraded Meridian sound system as well. More I'm looking at it, Monroney's label is wrong. They didn't have this listed. Window sticker is a little higher than 88. Back seats are like perfect. You do have the rear full climate, rear heated seat. Like I said, panoramic sunroof. Car just landed today. She's live on the website, BRIANSAutoCenter.com, or give us a phone call, 732-528-9777. Live on the website.